My name's Brett Buckingham. I'm the Field Officer for Protect in the Tasmanian region, and my role is obviously to support members making a claim regardless of whether it's severance or income protection. Income protection, it came in Victoria through the ETU back in about 2000 with about 10,000 members during that time. We have now expanded out to different divisions and obviously different states what we cover. We currently have about 40,000+ members. With income protection, the Protect policy we're currently trying to negotiate in your TasWater EA. It's going to provide you with assistance outside of your current arrangements, which is your sick leave. Once you've exhausted your sick leave now, you won't be able to put food on the table for the family. With income protection coming up into the negotiations and hopefully getting up with the new EA, then that'll provide you with a better assistance up to 104 weeks. It's a 14-day waiting period, so those first 14 days, obviously you use your sick pay, RDOs or annual leave owing to you, and then income protection kicks in. 104 weeks cover is your normal cover. There are certain events where that cover reduces from the age of 65 to 70. That's reduced to a 26-week cover, and also injuries or associated with any extreme sport or competitive sporting event is only covered for a 13-week period. Another one is if the insurer considers a degenerative condition, then you're covered for a 26-week period, not your 104 weeks. With Protect, we've been able to negotiate with the insurer to put all these other additional benefits in there. The extreme sports, if you go on a transport and work cover claim, you'll automatically get roughly about 80% of your wage. Protect will pop that back up to the insured amount, what you're insured for, if that's below that amount. If you happen to die as a result of an injury, your dependents will get a lump sum payment out of Protect. What serious trauma benefits are is it could be loss of fingers, loss of toes, loss of limbs, quadriplegic, paraplegic and the likes. There's all lump sum payments what you can receive, as well as getting your 104 weeks income protection. With the broken bones benefit, that's associated to anything except for the extreme and competitive sporting events. So, for example, if you're having a kick of the football with your son or daughter in the park, you fell over, break a leg, then you'll get a lump sum payment as well as your 104 weeks, what you can be covered for income protection. Emergency home help's been set up for, obviously, if you're sick or injured at home, you won't be able to do the cleaning of the house, mowing the lawns, cleaning the pool or the likes. You can get up to $250 per week for a 26-week period for someone to come in and do all those chores for you while you're obviously sick or injured. Likewise, for your partner, domestic duties assistance is provided for your partner as long as they're earning under $16,000 per annum. Then they're able to get the same up to $200 per week for a 10-week period to help them out with the house cleaning and the likes when they're laid up sick or injured. The chauffeur plan is obviously if you're sick or injured, you've got to get around to your medical appointments. You may not be able to drive your car, so you may have to get a cab or the likes to get around to all those medical appointments. You also got a funeral cover with income protection. As long as you die from an injury, that's up to $5,000 to go towards the burial or cremation. Accidental dental covers rolled out to you and your immediate family. So if you're at home chewing on a chop or something like that, a bit of tooth chips off, you'll be covered for a fee, as long as the dentist obviously says that's the result of injury. Protect support services also extends to caring for your mental health. We provide a free counsellors, which is provided by a firm by the name of Hunterlink. In the event if you're going through a hard time and you want to seek some help, you can speak to a counsellor. You can have 6 phone calls or 4 face-to-face meetings. With the mental health claim, you have to see a psychiatrist, and through that psychiatrist, you have to do a mental health plan, and then you may be entitled to a 13-week cover. With the income protection, the rates are obviously whatever's negotiated through that EA and what rates you'll be able to get paid. So, that'll be done by the CEPU. Protect's provider is ATC Insurance. They've got a acceptance rate running at about 92%. The normal insurance companies, they're running at about 50 or 60%. It's running very high, and that's due to be obviously us field officers pushing along and hopefully getting most of those claims through. If you've got any questions about the income protection policy being offered, give us a buzz if you need any more information. But thanks for your time.